Good day, everyone, and welcome to day 16 of our 30-day challenge. So today I am ready to do another hairstyle. The one we did yesterday, I'm going to do it the way she did it. So yesterday I did a quick updo that was inspired by the Chic Natural, but I did a totally different style. So today I'm just going to do it. Today I'm going to do it a little bit closer to what she had. So with that being said, let's get started. So hopefully this won't take more than 10 minutes. I have my timer on my phone. I'm just going to take the bobby pins and everything out from yesterday. And I'm going to, I already have it parted into two sections. So I'm going to start on this side. So this is basically take 2 of yesterday. If you have not been watching, this is day 16 of a 30-day challenge. I am uploading a video every day with a new hairstyle or a variation of a hairstyle. So this week I am starting updos. Last week I did all protective styles that were like low buns and things like that. And this week I'm doing updos. And we are going to start on the other side. Now I'm going to pin this up. Alright, so we have that. Now, the front. Let's see, what are we going to do? Oh yeah, I'll leave it like this. Just kidding. Alright, so let me see. So let's see. What are we going to do? Oh, not gonna work. Let's spin. It's still different from her style because the front is not the same. But it's a variation. And I don't want to do an exact replica. So here we are. I hope you all like it. Remember to leave a comment down below with your suggestions for the next days of this challenge. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm going to try this before I give this up. And I also want to try something else in the back. All right, let's see. How does this look? So I pinned the braids on the inside instead of the outside just to see how it would look. And twisted the twist downward instead of upward to see how that would look. So those are 2 variations of the same style. So I redid it, and this time I just stuck the hair into the braid instead of doing something up here. So this is that look. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you will tune in for the rest of the 30-day challenge to see what styles I do next. Everybody have a great day. Bye.